it. Let's go.
Doors are closing. Please do not lock the doors.
Here we go.
Getting on the plane.
About to get on the plane. There's a resort that we really wanted to see. And so here we go. We're going to check it out. It's a new resort. So we're going to see if going to a new resort is worth it or not. Señor, ¿cómo estás?
Muy bien, gracias.
¿Cuántos minutos?
A unos 50 minutos más o menos.
We just got here. Beautiful view. We checked in and now we're waiting to get to our room. Our room is ready, but I am hungry. We got to eat. What do you think? First impression?
Amazing. One of the best lobby first impressions of.
It's got the really cool open air lobby.
Yeah.
I mean, it's nice.
Right when you walk in, you see the blue ocean.
Oh, just the color of the water. It's incredible. All right, here we go. Looking at our room, first time.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
Isn't this how you?
Gorgeous.
I got to go straight outside. What do you think?
I'm loving it here. But yeah.
It feels good in here, but I'm going straight right here. Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
So O'Shea, we went to last year. I thought it was probably the nicest place to go to. It's definitely.
Hey, check out this bathroom. Look at this.
I am excited to try the food. Wow, that's beautiful. Yeah.
Very nice. I still can't get over the color of that water. Oh, look, we got a little hot tub out here too. All right, thank you.
Pleasure.
My hat's perfect for this.
Yeah, it is. What do you think so far?
This might be my favorite place we've ever been. The resort is just very high-end and well, obviously clean because it's new, but I just love all the wood. It just makes it so unique.
right, so we just came around the corner and they got the fire pit going right there. That's awesome. So the big question is, would you come to this new resort? With it being a new resort, all things considered.
Absolutely. I mean, it's basically, it's half of it is done. The landscaping just needs to mature a little. And we were here for a short time, so I really didn't have time to do the spa. But people who are big on the spa, spa's not open.
Yeah, gym's not open.
Gym's not open.
Yeah.
But other than that, I mean,
it's beautiful.
It's beautiful. The restaurant so far, the food was really good. The beach is nice.
Beach is nice. You stepped on a sticker.
I did some, not down by the water, but walking from the pool area down to the beach, the sand has a lot of mix of grasses and stickers and
there's some trash.
Some trash. And just, yeah.
Probably from the construction, so hopefully that'll get worked out. Beautiful resort. I wouldn't come. I'd wait.
You would wait?
I'd wait. If you're gonna come here and spend the money that it costs to come here, I would wait. I wouldn't come for the new resort. I'd let them work out the kinks. I'd let the spa open. I'd let them work out the drinks. They got
you didn't like
all the drinks bad. I mean, not bad. They just weren't. They were off.
They were a little off.
And then the food was good.
It was really.
I like the food. But I'd let them, I mean, if you're going to pay a full amount of money.
You're paying.
Yeah. But it's beautiful. It is cool getting like the new room, so you get to come in and.
The design, everything is beautiful. Whoever did the interior, the decorating, like the furniture, the woods, like everything about the design is really top notch, I thought.
So we did the Impression Moshe by Secrets when it had opened, but we were a little bit further out. So this has only been open for like 35 days.
Yeah.
For like a month. That one was open for longer, and their vegetation had grown in more.
Yeah.
It was better. So I think I'd wait. If I had to pay the money. Now don't get me wrong, I'd come back tomorrow.
Yeah. Well, I was gonna say, depends on what you want to spend.
But think about it, if you're gonna spend, 3 or 4 nights here, or 7 nights, I mean, we met a bunch of people that were here for a week. If you're gonna spend that much time, like, you need the multiple restaurants open, because I think they only have 3 restaurants open right now. So again,
the Mexican,
the patio,
the buffet,
the French, the Italian, and the buffet.
Yeah, the seaside was just
seaside closes, yeah. So again, I mean, if you're going to be here for longer, you're going to want more stuff open, and then everything, just all the kinks worked out. That's what I do. Does that surprise you?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, because that water is incredible.
Yeah.
Hold on, check out this water. It's insane. I mean, that view, you can't beat that view. So, I'd wait, but that's just me. Other than that, what a great place.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
All right, here's the amendment to the video, is that I would do that trip again. the way we did it.
Yeah.
So, just a little amendment. I'd go back and do that all over again to a new resort. But staying longer might be something to not do. I don't know. It's an amendment. Well, look, I'm qualifying my answer earlier because that resort was great. So now it's qualified. Look, you can see the lagoon on the backside over there. Alright. This one is our hospitality room.
Hospitality room.
Hospitality room.
Oh, it's freezing.
They gave us a nice room again for the hospitality room.
I think that all of this, I love how they've done the back of the bed with the ropes.
Yeah.
Our room was designed differently.
I like this shower. What's up, area? Oh, there we go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope these tips help. Make sure to subscribe to see all of our adventures. And like always, I hope you travel well, and I hope this helps you travel better.